Hey guys, welcome to today's tech tip in which I'll be showing you how you can control your Android phone from your PC using your mouse through a USB cable. So something like this where you can use the mouse to scroll around, do everything that you want. The first step is to go into your phone settings and go all the way down to About Phone. And from here, you have to tap the build number multiple times. It may ask you to enter your PIN, and once you have that, you can go one step back and go to System, Advanced, Developer Options. Getting into the developer options may be a bit different for each phone manufacturer. So if the steps aren't the exact same for you, you can Google your phone model and how to get into developer options, and you should get a result pretty easily. From here, we'll search for USB debugging and enable that. Click OK, and that's all you need to do on your phone. Next, we'll go to a browser of your choice. I use Chrome and search for scrcpy. The first link should be for a GitHub repository from Geni Mobile or something. We'll go to this GitHub repository and go to releases. And from here, we'll go to download the zip file. So what we actually want is scrcpy Windows 64 1.24.zip. If you're following this tutorial in the future, this version number may be different as it may be newer, but the basic process is still the same. So I'll let this download complete, and once that is done, I can extract the files. From here, we need to open a command prompt window within this uh, directory, and we'll use the tech tip that I made a video on in tech tip number 3, which you can look for in the top right corner of your screen. So that is just type cmd here, and we have this already opened up. Next, we'll connect the phone to the PC using a USB cable. And if it prompts you to use USB to transfer files, click cancel. And the important thing to note is that if you pull down the notification tray, you'll see that USB debugging is enabled. Once that is done, you come back to the command prompt and type scr, press tab, and press enter. On your phone, you'll see allow USB debugging. You can check always allow from this computer if you trust the computer that you are connected to, and click allow. It may fail one time. You can try it again, and this time you should be able to control your uh, phone from your PC. So I can swipe up, swipe down, and do everything that I want to do on my phone. That's it for today's tech tip. If this was useful, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post a new tech tip every single day. So if you want to know more about computers in general, make sure to subscribe. See you later. Bye.